Morning, guys. Anyway, so right now I'm here cleaning the washing machines, right, and dryers. I already wiped down I already did the washing machines. Then I have to wash around the rims right here. Now, if you're wondering why I have these circulars, a lot of times these circulars go to waste. No one uses them. So I collect the circulars, and instead of using the Bounty, I use them to do the windows and stuff like that. So yeah, so that's what I do. And honestly, it does a great job. You ever heard back then when it's like old school, the parents would say, get the newspaper and wipe the end tables down, or the window. Don't come for me the way I say window. But anyway, yeah. So, and it does a better job. So that's what I'm using, circulars. You can use newspaper, circulars work just the same. But I actually prefer to use over Bounty. Bounty's great, but I'd rather use that in the house to wipe your hands, wipe your mouth when you're eating dinner. And yes, I'm sweating. I'm always sweating when I'm cleaning the buildings and the laundry room because it's work. But yeah, so right here, this is what I do. Well, you know, I have my spray bottle, right? So it's a spray bottle. This has Clorox in it, and it also has some lavender good smelling soap. This is an old Windex bottle, so I just recycled. I'm all about recycling. I mean, who doesn't want to save the world? Anyway, so that's what I use. I use this all the time. Do a little mixture. I already did this, so, but this is what I do. I do my spray down, right? I did all around here. I already did this, so, but to show you guys, look at this. I mean, newspaper does a good job, you know. See that? You know, and I already wiped it down. So let's go over here. I sprayed these already. I did the top of the washing machines already. So now I just gonna wipe these down. Okay. Let's do on this side. We're gonna do this side. Yeah, we're gonna do this side. Spray. This is so much, I mean, so much better than Bounty for this. You know, I know we upgraded as years went by on how to do certain things, but just certain things from old school, we just have to keep it and remember it, because some of the things are golden. Really golden. Like, but here we go. That's good. Here's this. I already cleaned in here. Tapping a little again. All right, so let's get another circular. All right. So you see, I have to spray this again. It dried up from me doing the other ones. Okay, that's so much better to use this. A circular or newspaper. I mean, there's other stuff, I'm pretty sure, rags that'll get the job done, or, you know, you could use the Bounty. I use the Bounty sometimes, but I really like to use newspaper, and the circular is so much better. Okay. So, on to the next. Okay. So, on to the next. Ooh. Oh my gosh, guys, I just sprayed myself in the face. next time when you're using a spray bottle, make sure it's facing front. And remember guys, it's not Windex in here. I just used this empty bottle of Windex and put a mixture in here. And that's it. And that's how I'm cleaning this.